None he hasn't seen before. You need a spotter or are you good? You know this line, right? It's your rear's downhill too much.
Yeah.
It's forcing you to jump. Huh? To the best of my knowledge, good. I probably know as much as you do. They hung with us a little bit down in West Virginia. He's a sweetheart. There you go. Looks good.
Let me get the strap. Let me get the strap. Sure, please. Let me try.
Looking good. Looking good. It is.